Hey guys, what's up? It's me, MaxSacker11, and today we're going to do another tutorial on Minecraft 2D. So let me just let it just load up. Okay, Max, and right off the bat, you can see we have two play buttons. Now this one above the saves is the old play button, and this one is the new one. Now you might be wondering, Max, what the heck is this? What's the big idea? What's the difference? Well, I'll show you. Of course, we are going to change the sprites. So, but let me just show you what this new play button does. When you press it, the game lags for a while, and wait for it. Any moment now. Bam! You get a randomly generated world. Finally. Yes, you heard me. A randomly generated world. So, today, this is what I'm going to be teaching you. So, yeah. Also, let me just do a quick review of what I've added to this random world generation. So I've added random cave generation, random zombie spawner, or however they are called, and it has only 3 blocks for now. I'm talking about the terrain generation. It only has 3 blocks: stone, dirt, and dirt with the grass on top. Now, of course, I've changed the sand with this grassy dirt. I don't know. We will add sand again later, but a little bit later. Okay. So yeah, the saves still work. Everything works. No bugs as far as I can see. Although we will have to add so many stuff to this random world generation, but for now it's not bad. So I'll just pause the video and be back in a moment. Okay, I'm back. So let's just get started already. Just create a folder and call it generators, and let's just create a object. Call it gen no, let's call it object underscore how should I call it? This no, let me just see how I named it here. Object cave. Well, destroy. Just destroy. Now you can change the sprite to whatever you want. Any of the blocks will do, but I will use the sprite bedrock. Okay, I'll load that in, make it solid, make it visible, and add a step event. Now in here, you want to go to the controls tab and drag the code, execute code in. Now you will find probably a link in the description below to a site or a page or something where you can go and just copy and paste this in. Okay, now that you've done that, just click the stick and copy and paste it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Make sure you have 3 of them, and go to main 1 and drag this destroy thing and make it self. Okay, now go to the first code, and you see this applies to self other object. Just check object and select the block object dirt, for example. In the second one, select another block, object stone, for example. And in the last one, select another block. In this case, I made another block called object grass, but you probably still have object sand, so you can check object sand if you want. But in this case, I've made a object grass, which I might, if I don't forget, I will show you how to make that block later. But I'm going to select object grass, yeah. Okay, and check. Okay, we're done with this object. Wasn't that easy? Okay, now go to generators again and right click and create object. Now name this gen underscore a cave. Now this doesn't have a sprite, and let me just find generate world. Yep, this is generate cave. Just go downy, 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 downy. Copy. Okay, so go back into GameMaker. Once again, you will find a link in the description to copy and paste this code. Now, in the generate cave or gen cave, make a step event, just a step event. Go to the controls tab and drag this execute code. Now, paste this code in. If for whatever reason there is no code in the description below, you can pause the video and just write the code down. I will slowly scroll down, but of course you can pause the video and write it down or whatever you want to do. So just a few more moments, seconds maybe even. Just a few more, and there we go. Okay, now yeah, let's just rename this object destroy to gen no. Yeah, let's rename it to gen cave, and let's rename this to generator, something like that. Yeah, that will do. Okay, now in here where you see object cave, this is where you add the name of this thing. Wait, object underscore cave, and this will be, sorry for confusing you guys, gen cave. Yeah, this is how it goes. So the one that has this huge code is going to be called a gen underscore cave, and this one is going to be called object underscore cave. Okay, so in gen cave right here, you see object cave, all this, you have to rename all these. Everywhere you see object underscore cave, you have to rename that with the name of this object right here. So however you name this, you have to copy this and add it in there. Okay, get it? Okay, so what else? You see these 16, wherever you see 16, except if they are like this, just change that to 32 by 32, because that's the size of my sprites. Okay. Okay. What else? I think that's it. Excuse me for a moment. Okay. So the last object we're going to create is called gen underscore, let me just check, gen underscore world. Gen world. Okay, let me just copy this. Copy one more time. Okay, and gen world. Now this also doesn't need to be solid, nor does it have to have a sprite. Go to add event, step event, and go to control, execute code, and paste this code in. Now pause the video, write the code down if you need to, copy and paste it from the description below, and yeah, also change these 16 by 16 thingies with the size of your sprites if you need to. And yeah, you see this right here, everything up to here will be the top layer. So this is the block that you want to be on the top of everything, like the top layer of everything. And this is the middle layer, okay? So everything in the middle. So here I have the grassy dirt on the top, and then underneath I have normal dirt, and this is the bottom. Here I have stone, okay? We still don't have any ores and stuff, so yeah. This is the terrain shape and stuff. And well, everything's written for you here, so yeah. Okay, let's save that. Add it in here. And now, don't worry about this gen water. I'm still testing that out, so we will be adding water, don't worry. So let me just go to this little room, and so the things that I've added here in this room are object player, object dirt select, object mouse, object cheater, object stone draw, object sand draw, object dirt draw, object health draw, object sword draw. So all these objects, you can find them in here. So yeah, we've covered everything in here in the earlier tutorials. Okay, so the only thing now left to do is add the generators. So let's firstly add object gen cave, and then gen world. You can place them anywhere you want. Okay, so object gen cave and gen world, and I think everything is set to go. Now I will just move this random test to the top and save it. Okay, hopefully this will work out as planned. Please work. Okay, so hopefully this works for you guys too. I really hope so. Let me just exit out of this. Don't save. Hopefully no need to save. Okay, so lagging a bit, and it works. We got a randomly generated world with caves and with zombies. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you how to make these zombies in your world. Just ignore this, and let me just show you generators. In the gen cave script, you have this choose object zombie, object skeleton, object creeper, or object enderman. You might be wondering what that is. This is, you can just if you have a few mobs in the game, a few zombies or a for example, I have a zombie, a creeper, and enderman, and skeleton. So I just typed all their names in here. Okay, So if you only had object zombie and object skeleton, you would just delete these others. But you have to do that for, I think, yeah, only there. That's the only thing you have to change, okay? Hopefully you understand everything. I'm really trying over here. And yeah, if you guys need any help whatsoever, any help with the scripts, with drag and drop, with sprites, with this, with that, whatever you need, just post a comment. Please post a comment below asking me your question, if you have a question, of course. And yeah, you can subscribe if you want for more tutorials. We will certainly be adding water and lava and more mobs, all kinds of stuff. And there will also be another series coming out soon. I think it's going to be a 2D top-down shooter. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.